The overall fortune for those born in the year of the dog is high. This luck is heaven sent, ensuring good fortune in all areas. Everything will go smoothly. You'll have help from influential people and good fortune. Work will bring recognition from your superiors. Your social skills, charm, and leadership will shine. For the dog, if you face exams, your exam luck will be very strong. You will receive help from important supporters at critical moments. This support will help your career grow smoothly. In 2026, your actions will be filled with wisdom and inspiration. It's a good year. Your financial luck is also strong. In 2026, the dog will find success in career and wealth. You may even meet potential business partners and helpful supporters. But no matter how good it seems, remember that cooperation is the hardest part when working with others. Be sharp and wise in judging situations. Aim to succeed with every move you make. Don't allow yourself to be deceived. Romantic luck is quite good in the first half of the year. There are many opportunities. Pay close attention in the first half of the year. Look to your social circles and friends. You might find a great partner nearby. Regarding health, it's a bit weak this year. The energy is low. Beware of accidents that may cause injury. Be extra careful walking, driving, and in daily life. Middle-aged or older folks should watch their heart and brain health. Be more careful. In summary, your career luck is strong. Your health luck is a bit weaker. Please take good care of yourself. Take care of your health.